Hi, welcome to Slow English with Brian. I'm Brian. In this video, we are going to talk about chores. Chores are little tasks, or sometimes big tasks, that we do in our homes. Children have to do these chores because their parents tell them to. Adults have to do them because if we don't, our homes will not look nice and will not feel nice when we are in them. There are many chores that we have to do. So I'm not going to talk about all of them, but let's talk about some of them. Let's start with some common chores in the kitchen. The first one that comes to my mind is cooking dinner or making dinner. In my family, my wife is the one who cooks dinner. That's because she is very good at cooking and I am very bad at cooking. When I cook, I have to follow a recipe very carefully. But when she cooks, she feels the food somewhere in her heart or her mind, I don't know. But she doesn't ever follow a recipe, and it's always very delicious. She also likes cooking a lot. The next chore is doing the dishes or washing the dishes, like this. In my family, I do the scrubbing of the dishes, and then my wife puts the dishes that I scrubbed into the dishwasher. That way, we finish the dishes very quickly every night. Another chore that children often do is setting the table. This means bringing the plates and bowls and spoons and forks and knives and sometimes napkins to the table before everyone eats. After doing the dishes, I do another chore that is very fast and easy. I take out the trash. In some countries, we take out the trash by walking outside and putting it in a trash bin or a trash can, like these. I did that in America. Here in Vietnam, we leave our trash in a special trash area, and then the trash truck comes to pick it up. Next, let's move to the bedroom. One chore in the bedroom is making the bed. We make the bed by moving the pillows and the blankets like these and the sheet like this so that the bed looks very nice during the day. Children often do this chore when they wake up in the morning. Now, let's talk about some chores that we do in the whole house. The first one is called tidying up. Tidying up means that we pick things up that are on the floor or move things that are maybe on a table if they don't belong on a table. We put things back where they belong. In my family, we all tidy up because my young daughter has toys that she moves around the house a lot. We have to tidy up her toys by putting them back where they belong. Next, two similar chores are mopping, like this, and sweeping, like this. What's the difference? Sweeping is dry. We don't use water when we sweep. So we sweep dust away, we sweep dirt away sometimes. We also sweep leaves away sometimes. Mopping, like this, is wet. We mop the floor when it has dirt on it that we can't sweep away, or if we spill water or juice or like maybe milk on the floor, we need to mop up that mess. Many people around the world have tiny robots that look like this, that do the sweeping and the mopping. But I don't think they can sweep or mop the stairs very well. We can also wash the windows if they get dirty. That is a fairly easy chore to do. But you have to be tall enough if you have windows that are high, or you need a stick to wash the upper parts of the window. Two other chores that are related are washing or doing the laundry and hanging the laundry. In my family, I wash and hang the laundry every day. Doing the laundry or washing the laundry means putting it into the washing machine. After it's done, I hang the laundry in a special area of my house that gets a lot of air and sunlight. That lets my clothes dry. When I lived in America, my family had a clothes dryer like this to do that. But in Vietnam, people often prefer to let the sun and the air dry their clothes. Before I end this video, I want to talk about the pronunciation of the word chores. Some students mispronounce that word by saying chores or chores, but we can be a bit more careful and say it correctly by thinking about the two hard sounds in the middle. The first one is the sound o that the letter O makes. It's not an ah or o, it's o because it comes before the letter R. The second difficult sound is the R sound. The American R sound is very challenging for many students around the world. Let's practice it a little bit together now. To make the American R sound, you can do this. Imagine that this is your tongue. When I say like in chores, my tongue curls like this and goes up and back. It doesn't curl like crazy, and some people's tongues curl back. Mine doesn't. Mine curls a little bit like this, just a little. Chores, chores. That is the end of this video. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.